Good morning. We're up in the Cairngorms. We've got to be doing a Wildcamp tonight. I'm out with Brian, I'm out with Dave.
Morning.
Morning.
We've just parked the car at the Cairngorms ski centre and we're heading up into the Cairngorm mountains. The plan is to do 2 Munros today, a Wildcamp and 2 tomorrow, maybe 3 today. We'll see how we feel when we get the text pitched on. That's us walking for about an hour now and we're on this well constructed path. I'll take us up onto the plateau. Certainly a welcome sight. The sun's take that chill out there. The views are starting to open up a wee bit now. Still not up onto the plateau, but that's view back to Davie.
Oh wow. Try not to get my own shadow in it. Get one that way as well.
Have you look at the weather station? I believe the highest recorded wind speed was recorded on this, well over 100 miles an hour. No, I don't know exactly what it was, but it was recorded on this here. I'll just show you our route for today. Basically, obviously we're on the summit of Cairngorm. That's the summit of our next Munro there with the tors on it. Then Beinn. We've got to drop down, set up camp down here at Loch Etchachan. I might go and do Derry Cairngorm at the back. Then in the morning we're going to head up to Beinn Macdui and back down the way we come up. It's an absolutely stunning day. Hope it stays like this. I think we've forecast for some rain tonight and some maybe high winds, but I think we'll be quite protected down at Loch Etchachan. That was the plan anyway, if the weather does seem to get bad later on. So far so good. At 1 down, hopefully 3 to go, but it'll only be another 2 Munros today. Beinn Macdui will get done tomorrow regardless. This is making our way down off the Cairngorm. We're going to get down to the top, the Loch. It's actually in the clag, you know. It's amazing how much that temperature dropped here, just sitting up the tap there when the clag came in. The sun's away. Must have dropped a few degrees anyway. Aye, so far so good. Pretty good underfoot coming down here. I know there's a rocky shelf down here you need to try and avoid, but I've not came to it yet, so just be on the lookout if you ever think of coming down this route. There's a rocky shelf that you need to try and avoid. This is at that rocky slab. Basically just head north for a bit, come down the back, follow that path right down to Loch, and that's a second target there. Shrouded in the flag. That's that sun back out again. It'll look nice when the sun's out. Definitely takes that chill out of the air. But it's a progress. We picked up this wee path here. Very muddy in places. That's going to take us down to Loch, and we're going to stop and pick up some lunch. So that is the plan. That'll give us some fuel to get us up Beinn, which is looking quite imposing for this end. I don't think this is a normally recognised route you could do it from, but it looks pretty steep. But we'll get a go and we'll come down the other side to Beinn, down to Loch etchachan, and then we'll set up camp. I'll then decide if I'm going to go and do Cairngorms. I'll basically be doing that with no kit, so I'll just be like a GPS and some water in my jacket with me. Hopefully if I'm no gubbed, that'll be the plan. But it's certainly nice when that sun's out. That's that rocky slab I was talking about. Seen it from down below, quite impressive. It runs its a full length along there. That's us finally down to the shores of Loch. A wee tricky section there, just coming through that boulder field, just to keep an eye on it. A few ankle breakers in there, but only you take your time, watch what you're doing. But Loch is pretty special. That's looking great, that's fantastic, check that out. Very nice indeed. And we're heading up there. I don't know if there's a recognised path, but it looks doable. For back here it didn't, it looked pretty daunting, but now you're closer up to it, it's definitely doable. So we'll get ourselves together, head up there. I'm sure we've got a wee bit of a river crossing here, I don't know how deep it's going to be. There is some stepping stones on it, but we'll see how we go. Need to cross this bad boy. Further down, I think. You're not crossing the air, no wait. 13 down river. A good wee bit. I think I found the best crossing bit so far. And maybe down to that middle island, going out to your left, looks quite shallow over there. Oh, stage 1 complete. Oh, to the left, I say to the left. This isn't too bad. The rocks. A wee bit of lunch or something like that. There we go. Oh, I made it. Excellent. Dry feet. Last wee bit. Oh, don't fall now, Tom. Oh, you wouldn't make it up. Look, there's another bit out the back. So far, so good. Oh, I didn't even see this bit. We should get all that, no bother. Oh yeah. Final bit. Oh, so glad I had my poles. So glad. That was a good aid. I need to get the trips on now. Yeah. The rocks aren't slippy. They've got a good grip on them. Well done, mate. Nice one, Dave. You're starting to gain height pretty quickly, really steep. That's where we started. Down there at the river. Walked for about 10 minutes. That's where we came from. That's that big concrete slab or granite slab just in this area here. We come down that side here, down that's that rocky part here on that path. Very careful on that. Stunning location down there. I wish there was a good spot for a wild camp, but that's where we're going. That's what we left today. I don't know if that make any sense to you, but tough going, tough going. That's us up onto the summit plateau up down Beinn. You see the clags in. And that's us been on the go for 5 hours 20 minutes, so about 3 hours 20 minutes to get to this point for the last summit. But we stopped for lunch, messed about down that river to get across that river, and we took our time coming up that steep bit. So the summit's just up there, no far to go to the summit, and we'll take it from there. We'll come down off the battery died my GoPro. We'll do this summit, we'll come down off this Munro, down to Loch etchachan, set up camp, and I'll decide whether I'm going to do Derry Cairngorm or not. It just depends how the weather is, how much light there's left, and how I'm feeling. We'll see how we go. Right, next stop, summit. This is at the summit of Munro number 2 in Beinn, blowing a hoolie in the clag. Look at this nice toss here to keep the wind off us. That's took us the best part of 5.5 hours to get here, probably nearly 6. Let's check my watch. 5 hours 50 minutes to get here, so not so bad. Weather's took a turn for the worst. So you see it's blowing a hoolie, clags in. We'll get this done out the other side. Go down to Loch etchachan and set the tents up. 2, yeah. In the clag, get in there! Just a wee bit here at the wind before we head down to Loch Etchachan. That wind up there was brutal, absolutely brutal. Brian had one of the wee wind gizmos. I think it was 47 mile an hour, it was blowing it. So, just hoping to find somewhere sheltery, pitch of tents. I'm just tucking into one of my old favourites, a Scotch egg. Well, that's the first real look of Loch Etchachan. Pretty windy. Hopefully I get down onto the shores. It's a wee bit more sheltered, but it's not too bad. It's not as bad as it was up on the summit. Yeah, that's me fun my pitch for the night. A wee bit windy, but it's not as brutal as it was up the top there. Hopefully it'll die down later, but this looks no bad. Flat enough anyway. That's my pitch for the night. Not too bad, a wee bit boggy underfoot. I've put rocks to up all my guy lines. Hopefully we'll be okay. It's a wee bit sheltered in here, a wee bit, but there's still a good bit of wind coming through. Let's get everything set up. Hey buddy. Yeah, that's the setup for the night. Here we look inside. Oh, right. On the bottom I've got just a foil insulation. I've got my X-Bed down mat, ice flame coat and the Decathlon pillow. So let's be set up, my warm kit's up there, down jacket for later up there, food, toilet roll, water. Let's move it on here. Some beer, gin and tonic, cook system. Yeah. Oh, right. I think there's some maybe Duke Edinburgh Award people are there. For tonight's dinner I'm having Expedition Foods chicken rice with vegetables, 800 calorie. I'll need that because I'm absolutely gubbed. That was a toughie today, but I'm all cozied. I've got my warm kit on, I've got my down slippers, I've got my dry sleeping gear, and I've got my down jacket, so I think that'll be mine for the night. So I'm glad I started making my dinner before it gets too dark, so I'll let that go, see how it goes. There we go, chicken and vegetables with rice.
She'll find us.
Yeah. That's me, dinner done. All cozied up, watching Doctor sleep. Well, good morning. It's just left 6:30. Not a bad night's sleep. A lot of wind, a lot of rain last night. The wind was quite severe, but I dozed off on and off all night. But it's now time for breakfast, so today I'm going to have expedition foods. You can see that, granola with raspberries, my coffee, and a Bounty protein flapjack. It's still dark outside, Clag's in, there's not much to see out there at all. I fell asleep during Doctor sleep, so yeah, I've never seen that, so I never filmed anything last night. I fell asleep, I was knackered, absolutely knackered. But I had on and off sleep, to see the gusts of wind when the long waking you up. So let's get this breakfast on. But coffee is made and my granola is made and all. Look at that, looks alright. Don't know if you can see much. Maybe you look outside, what's happening outside. Not much. Oh, it's a mistake. Flags in. Oh, aye. Cheers. Let's try this granola with raspberries. It smells nice. That's lovely. Yeah, it's breakfast done. Clag's rolling in. We'll take you around the houses to see how the guys done last night, right? So we'll start with Dave. He's in the Lanshan 2. It's still up, that's the main thing. It's still up. Morning, Dave. How are you, buddy?
I'm okay, mate. Yourself?
I'm good. How was your night?
A wee bit of an ice box, but alright.
Aye, was it cold, mate? Aye.
A wee bit. A wee bit. It's alright, but up yourself.
Aye, alright. On and off with that rain and the wind. But you're alive, that's the main thing.
Aye, for now.
Just take your time, Dave.
Aye,
Get your
yeah,
breakfast,
straight.
take your time, mate.
We'll see if any gas, if he's got any gas.
Alright, I'll go and get it for you, buddy, right?
Right, cool, mate. I've got a coffee and then we'll see what's what.
Right, buddy. Then we go to Brian. He's in the MSR Alexa 1. How you doing there, buddy?
He's alive!
He's still alive. How's your night, mate?
I slept on and off.
Aye.
Obviously the wind and the rain, you know.
Aye.
But I have slept and that.
Aye, good, good.
What's the plan?
Take your time, get ready and we'll go. You had your breakfast?
If you're saying get ready and we'll go but
Oh, Macdui.
Macdui.
Well, you need to...
You need to go at it anyway.
Aye, you need to go out to get home.
Right, cool.
You up for it?
Ah, sure.
I'm going to give Derry Cairngorm a miss.
Aye. Go back on Cairn, aren't they?
Aye. Hey buddy, take your time. Take your time, no rush. Well, there you go. The boys are still alive. There's a wee drop of gas for Dave. A wee drop. No much. There you go. That's my setup for last night. Acto. No issue. No issue at all. Actually quite comfortable in there last night. There's my remains of my cargo. That'll get bagged up and took away. Hey, I don't know to get Dave a brew. And that's where my pitch was last night. No bad, a wee bit bumpy, but the mat certainly helped with that. Leave no trace. All my rubbish has been took away. There, my kit ready to go. All my cans of beer and that was lying there, all in that pack. So, that's it. I don't know, but I'll take it away with me anyway. Well, that's us all packed up, ready to go. It's 25 past 8 in the morning. We're going to leave Loch Etchachan, up onto the track for Beinn Macdui, up over Beinn Macdui, and then back down, sort of heading in the direction of Cairngorm, and the track splits off to the left, back down to where we started yesterday. So far so good. I see everybody was okay. I think Dave had a bit of his tent was full of water and that this morning. Just basically it was a bit of a bog he was in. Not the best place for a pitch, but it is what it is, isn't it? That's what it is. Beinn Macdui, the second highest point in the UK. As you can see, it's blowing a hoolie and the clag's in. Brilliant. I've just come out of the clag there. Oh, just coming back into it as I speak. The weather's took a turn for the worse. Blowing a hoolie and it's pouring the rain. Just the rain's coming in sideways. So I'm not going to take anywhere footage till I get back to the car because there's nothing to see really. As I say, we're nearly there. I think we've got maybe a couple of miles still to go. That'll be us back at the car. But that wind is certainly strong. I think Brian tested it at the summit of Beinn Macdui and it was like 40 mile an hour. But I think it's stronger than that now, so I think it was a good call to leave Cairngorm. Come back and get it another time. Yeah, that'd have put us right in the thicket if we'd have done that first this morning. So, I say last night when I got to the tent, get the tent up, snack up, I'm going to run out of light and I want to get my dinner on before it gets dark, so the right call was made. I said the mountain's not going anywhere, it'll still be there for another time. It's another 3 Munros in the bag. Still enjoyed it, the weather was against us, but this is what I like, Wildcamp, out on the mountains. That's the sort of stuff I really like. So, as I say, it's a bit of hard graft carrying your full kit and that, but you get to camp in some of the most remotest places in Scotland. There's that Loch etchachan, where we could see it when it was clear, it was absolutely stunning. The flag coming through the night and there wasn't much to see in the morning, you need glimpses here and there. So I'll get back to you when we get back to the car. Down back at the car park, everybody down safe and sound. That was us, basically 7.5 mile, just took us just less than 4 hours to come out of Beinn Macdui there. Stunning place, absolutely amazing. One tip I will give you, when the weather turns in the Cairngorms it's very unforgiving. You feel every gust of wind, every drop of rain because you're up in that exposed plateau. But we came through okay, we're back down. Please give me a thumbs up. Catch you on the next one. Thank you.